Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make a really simple double pocket out of a piece of scrap paper. So if you've seen my last video where I was making the multi-pocket flip out thing, you would have heard me say that I had to restart the video over because I made it wrong. And I had to switch to a different piece of paper because I couldn't fix it. So this is some of the paper that was left over. All right, so I think you could probably make this any size. My scrap the other day when I made it just happened to be roughly 3 by 6, and that's what size the paper that I cut apart that I messed up on happens to be. So it's 3 inches high by 6 inches long. Again, I think you could probably make it different sizes, but this is what I'm using. And I went ahead and inked it, and I've kind of pre-folded it a little bit. So it's super simple. What you're going to do, and this side is not, it's not anything. There's nothing on it. What I did with this one, because it's the same paper, I just inked it in like 2 different colors. So I went in with my light brown, and then I went in with like a green color, and I thought it turned out super cute. This is what we're going to do. So I'm going to take the part that's facing my left, and I'm going to fold it towards the middle until it's flush with the top. Okay. So I have that. Then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to take the part that's on my right side, and I'm going to fold it up to the top. So now I have something that looks like this. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, so here, if it's like this, I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it up until it is flush with this bottom, or as close to flush as you can get it. Okay. So it's pretty much flush. So I inked everything, but now I have to ink my folds that I just made. Okay, so I'm going to have it fold up like this, so I need to do this part as well. All right, so we're like this. This is what we have so far. All right, now I need to glue some things. So if it's folded up like this, this back part here is going to need to be folded. Or is going to need to be glued, I mean. So we're going to just put some glue here. Hopefully my glue is behaving a little bit better. In the last video, it was not being very nice. Okay, so I'm going to glue that. And then same thing, this pocket here is going to also need to be glued. Just like that. All right. So now I have my basic shape. Again, if you wanted to fold it a different way, I think this is the way I had it. Okay. So if you want to fold it like that, you can. And then this is pretty much it. I brought some things in to decorate it with. I don't want to decorate it too much because, like I talked about in the last video, there is a project that I want to work on, and I think this would look super cute. Like this paper would look super cute with it. So I don't want to do a ton. I actually think I might do that. And then I didn't cut this out, so give me 1 second. I think I want to do like a little flower. So hold on. Okay. So I think I want to do just like a little small cluster. I think that's super cute. Now over here, I think I'm going to do what I did last time because I really liked that look. So all I did is I inked lightly. Now if I push harder, of course I'm going to have more. But I just inked lightly, and then I took my green, and I don't know how much green is left on this, but quite a bit apparently. And then I just went over it again. Now you could stencil or stamp or whatever, but I kind of just liked this look. So now we can go ahead and ink and glue. And I think this is just such a quick and easy little thing, but it's super cute. Like it makes a statement. It's not just something that's going to get like lost on your page. I really like it. Okay. So I'm going to start with this piece. Uh-oh. Kind of like that. And then I'm going to do the cloth next. Make sure it's upright because that would be terrible. Okay. And then my little flower. Okay. And then if you want to stamp something or write something or whatever, you know, you could do that. I may, but again, I want to wait until I decide what I'm going to put it in. But that's basically it. So then when you have your page, let's say this is my page. Okay, I know it's going to blend in a little bit, but let's just say this is my page. I can put it here on the corner. I could put it in the center, whichever. I would glue down this side, across the bottom, and up the top. So then what I have is this part here would be like a little tuck pocket, and then this whole back side here would be a pocket. So it would be like a layered kind of piece. And I just think it's so adorable. And I loved how easy it was and how big of a statement it actually made. So again, you can fold them either way. It doesn't really matter. It just depends on, you know, what you want. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Again, pretty soon, I will be able to tell you about a collaboration that I'm looking to work on in June, and I'm super excited about it. So stick around, more details to come. And until next time, bye guys.